How to find Booking.com promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want. Now in the search bar, search for Booking.com bond code. Scroll down and find this website of bondcode.my. Tap on this website. And from here, you can find different promo codes that you can use in Booking.com. All you have to do is find the one which is best for you. For example, I have one, pay 10% less for selected bookings. Tap on this arrow option if you want the promo code. Here you can find the promo code which you can simply copy. Now you can use this while checking out in Booking.com, or you can tap on go to the store, and that's going to take you right to Booking.com, and you can use this code while checking out. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.